It's me.
Mario.
Wait, take two, because we found lights. Okay, so this is our stay. We just got to Egypt.
Some slight.
We've got a tub. This is the bathroom. Oh wait, where are the lights?
This bathroom is bigger than our house.
For the record, we just left a place where we could not shower because the drain didn't work. So.
Although I don't know where this light out there.
No, that's an outlet.
I gotta pee.
Okay. Is there 2 toilets?
That's a bidet, I think.
Amazing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, well, this is me. Hello. We got cool little closets in here. See all that? Very nice. Another closet and some storage space. Tub once again. This is the entryway. This is the bedroom. We've got snacks and coffee. TV. Free little snacks for our first day. And then we have a, this way, pool view in this room. So yeah. I didn't touch anything.
I know, you should have.
Oh no, those I opened, yeah.
Oh yeah, what the hell? Did you see that?
The giant mirror?
That is sick.
Can't figure out where the lights are though. So this is home for a couple days.
I wish it was home forever.
Well, we might be getting an even nicer one after, so. Doing pretty good. Not bad, Egypt, not bad. Look at the shower. Happy?
I'm like, if you just saw what I saw on the way here, you wouldn't think that this is
Oh, there's our
possible.
bags.